and I'm an average girl. I'm good at fitting in. I don't stand out. I know it's true. In the choir, I sing like this, sort of meekly. When I'm at church, I sing like this. We do it weekly. But in my car and on the road, I become a star. I sing like boom, 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 with amazing belting and whoa. When I sing in my car, I'm like riffing up. Ring the alarm and call the cops. Yeah, 'cause I just went there, I just did that with my seatbelt on and ambition's gone. Like boom, 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 like I'm in my room. Feeling hot as I hit the spot, yeah. In the parking lot, feeling free to be, 'cause no one can hear me. Oh, well, yeah. In real life, I talk like this. Not so outright, but more obliquely. When I'm at school, I'm more like this. I don't do stuff all that uniquely. But when school's out, I'll hit the road, I'll try